Hi, I'm Ivana Hershowy. I am the mental health therapist at East Glen High School. I work through the Family Center in contract with Edmonton Public Schools.
Hello, I am Lexi Marshall. I'm the success coach at East Glen High School.
Hi, my name's Ryan. I'm the facilitator from the Boys and Girls Club Big Brothers Big Sisters. My role at East Glen is running the out of school time program as well as connecting students with mentors to help them get through high school.
Hi, I'm Cricket Walker. I'm the Roots and Wings worker at East Glen. My job is to support families and mostly parents in their homes.
All In for Youth is a three-way partnership between Edmonton Public Schools, the United Way, and community agencies like the Family Center, which is where I'm from, as well as Boys and Girls Clubs of Edmonton. And we work in partnership with United Way to be in schools so that we provide free services, on-site community-based services so students can access support. Any students can reach out to the All In for Youth team. Students that are maybe seeking support with academics, job finding, mental health services, needing family support services, food bank referrals, clothing, any student that just needs someone to talk to can access All In for Youth.
I work with students varying from needing help with courses to get into university, people who need to talk about family conflict, anxiety, tips and tools for that. And helping them find jobs too.
So this is a great space to meet other students, get some homework help to do a little bit better in your classes, or we even have ELL students who come to us to learn English skills. It's really just a great space to connect with some staff mentors and other students to get to know some people on campus and start making those connections.
We are awesome. We are fun. We are joyful. We like to crack jokes. I really like board games. Hopefully by the time COVID's done, we can do that again. But I just think it's nice to have even like a mentor there for you every step of the way. Whether that may be, like I say, you need help with mental health, you need help finding a job, just those life skills that you'll need to be successful.
And I support families in connecting to resources and liaisoning with the school and bridging with school relationships and build relationships with parents.
Students can access my services at the school by either telling their teachers, speaking to our admin staff, Mrs. Below, Mr. Lerbecmo, Mr. Fox, coming to me directly and saying, hey, I would really like some counseling support services, talking to our success coach, Lexi. That's a really great way to get connected to our All In for Youth team. We often can meet with students and refer to other team members on the All In for Youth team. So really just speaking up and saying what you're needing is the best route to come and get support.
So you can sign up by following us on our Instagram and sending me a message, emailing me, or if you just see me in the halls, come say hi and I'll get you sorted with all our membership information.
Oh yes, I have an Instagram at Lexi Success Coach with no spaces. And it has a tree in the profile picture.
Wraparound supports. I think anytime a student comes forward to our team, we sort of look at what the student might be needing, and then we assess, like, maybe you'd be a really good fit for success coach, or maybe you'd be a really good fit for mental health services or family support. So we're constantly asking really important questions and providing those community supports that maybe go beyond the classroom but still support academic success. Yeah. I mean, it can be really scary asking for help. It's not always comfortable. It's not always easy to come and talk to a stranger. And that's something that we really understand, that I really understand as a therapist and our whole All In for Youth team. It's not always easy to ask for help. So being nervous, being uncomfortable might be part of the process, but we really do our best to ease those fears. We try our best to be as approachable as possible. And we take it slow if you need, right? We walk you through the process. We tell you as much as we can about what our services look like, and then you make a decision for yourself if that's something that you're wanting. Coming from the background that I did, I really want to be the person I needed when I was younger, and I think that that's sort of my why I show up for these kids, and why I care so much. And yeah, I love being part of the school.
I love being able to help people in need, and I love Eastglen in general just because of all the students and the staff. Everyone's amazing here. I only started in February 2019. Everyone made me feel super comfortable and welcomed here. It is amazing.